We invite her to open this hope chest of dreams and aspirations as we invite one of our sons home to become our leader.
In 1883, a parent described the legendary William R. Crabb, the first president or principal of Shady Side Academy, as a person who educates with his whole soul. I am so fortunate to share with you that 136 years later, we have once again found a leader molded by Shady Side Academy who also educates with his whole soul.
So Bart, we welcome you home. We've already seen you embrace your new role with patience, humor, authenticity, and humility. I'm honored to share another classroom, this new school experience, with you. And the faculty look forward to supporting you and the mission of Shady Side in the years to come to propel our great school forward. Glory to Shady Side.
The work of the world is common as mud. Botched, it smears the hands, crumbles to dust. But the thing worth doing well done has a shape that satisfies, clean and evident.
When you are faced with difficult decisions, we hope that keeping the students as your true north will always help you to find your way. On behalf of everyone at Country Day, we are excited to welcome you to Shady Side.
We have seen you a lot at the junior school, and we are picking up on the fact that you like to have fun. Your kickball skills need a little work, specifically your base running. On behalf of the junior school, we would like to present you with an honorary doctorate in fun.
On behalf of everyone at the middle school, we want to welcome you, Mr. Griffith, back to Shady Side. We know that you started Shady Side at the middle school, and that makes us really happy.
We want to share with you and your family something that is very important to us, which is our middle school motto, "What you do matters." In order to do that, we have had it framed for your home or office with today's date on it.
He shows a unique passion for the history of Shady Side Academy while embracing modern changes, and has made sustained efforts to indicate to us, the students, that he values both our presence and our ideas.
There are places I'll remember all my life, though some have changed, some forever, not for better, some have gone, and some remain.
I can promise you at least one thing. He understands the mission and purpose of this great school, and he will be unswervingly committed to that mission and purpose in leading the school onward and upward. The Board of Trustees and this entire community stands ready to partner with you to write Shady Side's next great chapter. We are excited for what the future holds. Welcome home, Mr. President.
I can think of no higher honor than to come home to Pittsburgh to steer the school I love into its promising future. So I accept the charge with a full heart, and I pledge to advance the important mission of our school. We will challenge ourselves to think big, act with concern for others, and leave our communities better than we found them. Has there been a time in the life of our school, in the life of our city and world, when our mission has been more relevant, more compelling, more essential for young people and the remarkable future they inherit? I am all in, Shady Side. You can count on it.
As we conclude today's new day, our fervent prayer is to ask that you help us live in gratitude for what we have in this place, this cherished place that is Shady Side, to be astonished at the good fortune that has come to it in leadership and in governance.
Glory to